You ready for camping, buddy?
Heck yeah. Save me. Ah!
All right, that's home for the night. We're gonna make a heat reflector. Tonight's probably gonna get a little bit chilly, so we're gonna build up a little bit of a heat reflector so when we get the fire going, it'll kick some heat back to us.
Yeah, I know.
It seems like just the other day.
Dang, because that was actually like, I feel like that was just like yesterday.
I know. Wait till you get older, it goes even faster. Everything feels faster.
Yeah.
I was out here with Isaac. I think that's been 2 or 3 years, and it literally feels like the other day.
I don't know, because like, you told me about that one time. And that was like, I thought it was like a couple weeks ago, but it was actually a year ago. And I was so surprised.
It's been a couple of years. You about ready to get to bed?
Yeah.
Morning.
Morning.